Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about wedding wear, and Flipkart has a really good sale going on. They have a minimum of 50% off on their festive wear, wedding collection, kurtas, and so many other things. And even on the other categories, they have a huge sale going on. So this is a great time to grab them. Flipkart has the latest collection with influencer style, and they refresh their styles every week. And they all go through 6 phases of quality check to make sure that all of these are of really good quality and they're of genuine international brands. And also you can easily exchange or return, and they have a 48-hour quick delivery. And that's why it's called India ka fashion capital. So I got maxi dresses and some kurta sets. So I have one more video going up on my Telugu channel where I'll show you guys some other pieces as well. So do check out that one as well. And also the really interesting thing and very useful thing is that you can shop in the vernacular language. So you can select your preference and shop accordingly. And also it's great value for money because they have 10 lakh plus styles, and they're also starting from 199 rupees. So you have a lot of options to choose from. And now let's begin, and I'll show you guys what all I picked up. And these are some really amazing pieces, so do check them out. I have some really pretty pieces to show you guys. Now let's begin, and all the links will be in the description box, so do check out the description box. And yeah, let me show you what I got. This first dress has to be my favorite. It's like a Karao party wear dress. So it has beautiful embroidery here. It has a chips work and some thread work. It's so gorgeous, and this is that wine shade. It is such a beautiful color, and I have seen some kurtas from this brand. They are very beautiful, and I've wishlisted them, and I was waiting for a sale so that you can grab them. So it has these transparent sleeves, and here also it has work. This looks a little bit like chikankari work, if you know what I mean. It's a very beautiful one. It's totally party wear. You can wear it for mehendis or sangeets, or you can even pair it with a Banarasi dupatta and wear it for a wedding. It looks so grand when worn. At the bottom also, look at this. It has all this work. It looks very, very beautiful. At the back also it has this work. It's a very beautiful one, and I think this is Georgette if I'm not wrong, and the fabric quality and everything is just so good. And I got this in XXL. It's a little fitted for me on the top, and there's a little bit margin also. Basically I can even remove the stitches if I would like to. So yeah, it's such a beautiful piece. Next we have this. Since that one was a little expensive, of course that's really beautiful. I absolutely think it's totally worth the money. But since that is a little expensive, so I thought I'll pick some affordable options as well, so that you guys have a lot of options to choose from. So this is the next one. This is also a maxi dress. So here it has that kurta style, slit kurta style. That gold print, it sort of looks like mirror work, and it has long sleeves, and on the side it has tie-up knots. So you can see that it is that slit sort of a kurta. I'll also try and put an image here, and at the bottom it has this flare. The fabric is very soft, the quality is good, and it's super affordable. I think for the price actually this is pretty good. Just that for me the size was a little too fitted than what I usually wear. But if you wear up to I think XL or XXL, then you'll totally find your size in this. Now next up, this is something I was so surprised about. This is such a beautiful dress, you guys. I have seen such pieces before, but the price is amazing, and I wasn't sure what to expect, but the quality is so good, you guys. This one again is a Georgette. So this entire black fabric is Georgette, and it has lining. At the back it has beautiful tie-up knots. It's gonna look so gorgeous, you guys, when worn. Because it's black, you can't probably see it very well, but yeah, this is the waist. It has pleated waist, and at the bottom this is what it looks like. And this one looks so good, and it's so flared and nicely fitted. I got this kurta. This one is also a maxi dress, and this one is available in different colors. This one is the brown. It has gold print all over, and even this one looks very pretty. You can wear it casually, or you can wear it with a nice dupatta and wear it for simple occasions. This one is a little tight on me again, so I think I'll get a bigger size. I think I should have ordered a bigger size. Quality of the fabric is nice, it's soft, and again for the price I think it's pretty amazing. So yeah, This one's available in pink as well, so pink also looks really pretty. And I thought because I have a couple of pinks, brown would be something different, and I thought I'll wear it with like a black dupatta. So that was the plan. This was everything that I wanted to show you guys in this video. So do check out all the links. They'll be in the description box, and this is a great time to pick up some things during the sale. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you found these recommendations useful, and do find me on Instagram as well. I keep posting quick hauls and styling videos, mini reviews and all that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.